Good morning, my dear students. This is Sunny Kumar Gupta from a Student Guideline YouTube channel. And today we have discussed about our next topic. So, my dear students, let us come on the board. So, let us start our class. Yesterday we have discussed about fraction. It means addition of fraction of addition. And today we have discussed about subtraction of fraction. So, my dear students, that's both are same but only one different, that's addition and here subtraction, and both rules is equal. So if you know at subtraction addition of fraction, after that you also know subtraction of फ्रैक्शन का जो सब्ट्रैक्शन है आप ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं. इट मीन्स subtraction of fraction, the subtraction of fraction can be performed in a manner similar to the of addition. It means, my dear students, you also know how to solve the fraction of addition of fraction. So if you know fraction of addition, after that you also solve the problem subtraction of addition, subtraction of fraction. If you don't know addition of fraction, after that you not solve fraction subtraction of fraction. So my dear students, firstly we have discussed about addition of fraction. Before classes we have also discussed, but firstly we have take some example how to crack that addition, and that's a similar form addition subtraction. Only thing will be changed. It means that addition and here subtraction. So there are two rules I also wrote on the board, and I also teach you two rules. First rule, if like fractions available, and second rule is if unlike fractions available, how to solve the problems. So my dear students, firstly we have discussed about like fraction. If in your question comes in like fraction, so what you do with addition, that's same in subtraction, only thing will be changed. Okay, so let us come on the first topic. It means one example, just like here one example. You also know if denominator is same, that fractions in like fraction. Okay, so that's a like fraction. So what do when like fractions available in addition? Firstly you write here common denominator. So what is the common denominator? It means 9 and 9. So 9 is the common denominator. And what with numerator? It means add the numerator, add all numerator. But here subtractions available, so you subtract it. If add is add available, then you add. If subtraction available, you subtract it. It means firstly you write here 6 and 2. What is subtraction? Okay, here 6 minus 2. When you have 6 and minus 2, what you get? It means 4 by 9. So that's your answer. When if your questions come in like fractions. So my dear students, another example for you, if in your questions in unlike fractions. So how do you crack it? Just like here 4 by 3 minus 9 by 2. 9 by 2. So how to solve it? My dear students, in addition of fraction, I also teach you if fractions come in unlike fraction. So firstly you take LCM. If you take 3 and 2 LCM, so how many? It means that's your answer 6. So that's 6 is your denominator. 6 is your denominator. So firstly you convert in fraction unlike to like fraction. So here 4 by 3. When you convert is 4 by 3, it means how many marks you get? What is your denominator? 6. 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are at 3 2s are 6. That's your answer. Is that clear? Next your 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Okay, so 9 by 2 multiple of, it means 3 2s are 6. 9 3s are 27 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, so that's your 8 by 6 minus 27 by 6. 27 by 6. So that's your form of like fraction. So what you do with so firstly you take denominator, common denominator is 6, then you write 8 minus 27. So my dear students, first number is smaller and second number is greater. So that answer come in minus. That answer come in minus. So you minus take it. It means 27, 7, 28, 17 minus here to 9 and 1 minus 19 by 6. Minus 19 by 6. That's your answer. If you want to convert in mixed fraction, after that you divide with denominator in numerator, then you get in mixed fraction your answer. 6 3s are 18 1. It means 3 whole 1 by 6. 3 whole 1 by 6. 3s are 18 1. 19 whose? It means minus. That's your answer. When if your question comes in unlike and if your question come in like fraction, that's addition and that's a subtractions goes. Okay, and another questions come in that form. Listen here, write from. When write from, after that which word come, which number is come, then you minus it. Then you minus from first number. Okay, so here firstly you convert in like या unlike fraction. Firstly 1 whole 2 by 5. It means 5 was the 5 to 7. 7 by 5. Is that clear? Next number 3 minus 3 whole 1 by 2 is equal to 3 to the 6 1 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Okay, so that's your number. That's your number 7 by 5 and 7 by 2. 7 by 5 and 7 by 2. After that you subtract it. It means that's a like fraction, yeah, unlike fraction. Take it 7 by 5 and here 7 by 2. Like fraction या unlike fraction. It means if denominator is different, so that questions come in like unlike fraction. Is that clear? It means like, so firstly you change in like fraction. So if you change in like fraction, what you do? Firstly you take LCM. LCM of 5 and 2 is equal to 5 multiple of 2 is equal to 10. That's a LCM. It means LCM of 10. So firstly you take 7 by 5 is equal to 7 by 5 multiple 10. That's 2. 7 2s are 14 and 5 2s are 10. Is that clear? Next 7 by 2. 7 by 2. So 7 by 2, it means 7 by 2 multiple 10. 5. 7 5s are 35 and 5 2s are 10. So that's your, okay, it means here 14 by 10 and 35 by 10. 35 by 10, so that's the first number is 7 by 2. It means from that number you subtract. It means 7 by 2 minus 7 by 5. 7 by 2 minus 7 by 5. Here you write 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2 minus 7 by 5. Okay, so that's the form of here 7 by 2 is equal to 35 by 10 and minus 14 by 10. That's your answer. That's your come in like fraction and that's so easy. If questions come in your like fraction, after that you subtract, and if questions in addition, you add it. If subtraction, you subtract it. Is that clear? It means firstly you take here what? Here you take denominator is same, so common denominator is 10. Then you write numerator 35 minus 14. 35 minus 14. Okay, so 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 2. Sorry, 3 minus 1 is equal to, okay, here 10. It means 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 10. That's your answer. That's your answer. But when you write here, it means 21 by 10. After that, if you want to convert in mixed fraction, then you change it. It means divide. Firstly, you divide 10 by 21. 10 2s are 20, and here 1. 10 2s are 20. So you also write 2 whole 10 by 1. 10 2s are 21. 21 is that your answer. So firstly you write down in your copy. Okay, so our topic is finished. It means subtraction of fraction is clear. Okay, we have taught about next classes and next topic. So my dear students, stay home and save your life and continue your study. Okay, thank you.